Clayton Christensen and his disruptive innovation trend maps. So Mr. Clayton decided to investigate hard disks, and he came up with these very interesting charts. This is not a hard disk, but it serves the purpose. He decided to plot the hard disk capacity here and the years here, and he found out the following. Like in 1975, we had this hard disk we called 14-inch drive technology. These were huge hard disks, and this was the capacity of such disk, and this is the capacity as it evolved year by year, right? And in this line here, you plot the minimum requirements for the given customer. So in the mainframe market, this was the minimum capacity required for a hard disk to be viable and useful for the customer, right? So this was a good market for 14-inch drives hard disks and for the mainframe market. Then, around 1978, a new type of technology, which we call 8-inch drive technology, appeared. And at the beginning, this technology was worse than what we had before. And so it was not useful for the mainframe market, but it was useful for the mini computer market, what we call the PCs. And then we see that this 8-inch drive technology will surpass or will be viable and probably more cost effective in the mainframe market, but not yet. And then the 5¼ inch drive technology came along, and this was good for the desktop PC market, mini computer, desktop PC market. And the same thing happened. And by plotting these trends, you could kind of predict when to get out of a given technology if you were a manufacturer, for example, which was super, super useful.